You know, I've made several videos on the MacBook Air M1, but I have been loving this machine so much that I was thinking to myself, let's make another one. And why I think you should go out and buy this device out of any Apple MacBook that's even coming out recently with the MacBook Air 15, and why this one is a better buy for you, ladies and gentlemen, and why it offers so much value. So, as you can see here, I've edited the majority of my recent videos on the MacBook Air. I'm even making a video regarding how powerful this is and how this can handle 1080p and even 4K video editing with basically no effort. It's so powerful with that M1 chip, and even though this came out back in 2020, it still holds up to this day. And one of the things that surprised me the most about this device, other than the amazing keyboard, trackpad, and display quality, which by the way is above 1080p, is that battery life. I can easily get like roughly 5 days of moderate use with this battery life on average. And the standby time, because it's using Apple Silicon chips and there's that great optimization with the battery life and the overall software, this thing can last so long just in standby mode. Whenever you close the lid, you know that when you open it, it'll only drop by 1% or 2%, unlike other Microsoft laptops that in the background will be burning up battery life. And when you open it, it could decrease by 10 to 20% easily if you had any background processes going on. As you can see here, just scrolling through on the internet, going through applications. I don't have many apps downloaded on this, so I don't have it overly bogged down, but it's just like, it's such a breeze. Do I miss a mini LED and 120 hertz panel? Kind of, but it's so sharp and so color accurate, I don't really care too much. Ports, kind of lame, only 2 USB-C and headphone jack. Overall build quality, nice and sharp. I think you guys should go pick this up if you're a student or if you like making videos on YouTube for content creation, thumbnails, photo editing, anything like that. And yeah, that's my recommendation. Okay, bye everyone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.